Welcome to our top 8 campgrounds of all time. Guys, we're starting with Driftwood 2 in Cape May County, New Jersey. This campground is clean. It's beautiful. It is not the largest, but we're talking paved streets and easy to ride your bike and just a beautiful little fishing lake and swimming pool. It's near Sea Isle City, Avalon. You're only talking 10 minutes, and about 20 minutes to Wildwood and 25 minutes to Cape May. This place is a wonderful family environment, a great example of just a local, wonderful establishment that you want to visit year after year. I highly recommend checking out Driftwood 2 Campground if you're ever in the South Jersey area. Coming in at number 7, we have Old Millstream Campground. It's actually attached to Dutch Wonderland in the heart of Lancaster. If you want to visit Amish country and you just want something peaceful, simple, reasonably priced, well-maintained, you must visit this campground. During the summer, you will hear the roller coasters and things like that coming from Dutch Wonderland. It is adjacent to the property, but honestly, it's fine. It's done by about 8 o'clock. And I'll tell you what, we have been going for the last 4 years, and we look forward every single time. You cannot beat the location. Coming in at number 6, guys, is Frontier Town in Berlin, Maryland. It is about 15 minutes from Ocean City, Maryland. And this place is awesome. If you don't even want to leave the campground, that's fine, because there are tons of things to do. Tons of water sports, activities, ropes courses, things for kids, adults, just absolutely a cool campground. And when we first went, we were blown away. We just wanted to stay and kind of hang out. I think we only stayed a couple days, but we always want to go back to Frontier Town. Just wonderful memories and wonderful views. I would definitely recommend this place if you're just looking to, even if you just want to relax, even though it's filled with family activities. It was so peaceful. And you can see by these water views, guys. Definitely check this out if you're in Maryland. Taking number 5, it's Mama Gertie's Hideaway Campground. This is near Asheville, North Carolina, about a 15-minute drive. This place, oh my goodness, if you want to stay on the side of a mountain, this is your place. I have never experienced anything like it, and I have to admit it was a little bit nerve-wracking taking the drive up the mountain to our spot, but once you get up there, it's absolutely fine, and it is just beautiful. Look at these views. It's breathtaking. I just can't even believe we got to stay in this location. I highly recommend, if you're in the Asheville area, to seek out this campground. Taking the 4th spot is Greenbrier in Gatlinburg, guys. This is about 10 minutes from the downtown area of Gatlinburg. This place is just beautiful. Clean campground with amazing views. I mean, look at these rapids. You can just stay right on this water, and that's it. It's just gorgeous, simple. No better way to experience Gatlinburg than Greenbrier. Check it out. Coming in at number 3, guys, Ocean Lakes Family Campground, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I just adore this place. First of all, the drone footage kind of speaks for itself. It is obviously right on the ocean, but it is huge, massive, one of the biggest campgrounds, if not the biggest I've ever experienced. And this place, it has everything you need. It has its own shopping. You can stay here. You don't even have to ever leave the campground. You have the ocean just steps away from your camper. Wow. Ocean Lakes Campground, what a treat. Came in at number 3, and you can see why. Number 2, going to Anchor Down RV Resort, about 30 minutes from Pigeon Forge, and you can stay in this absolutely stunning location. The views are just breathtaking, absolutely clean, probably the cleanest campground I have ever seen. These amazing handcrafted fireplaces that you can just enjoy the fire, and you can see us sitting there, and we just absolutely loved Anchor Down. You have to go. If you are RVing, definitely get yourself there. Libby's Oceanside Camp in York, Maine, hands down my number one. And guys, this is strictly because of the views. It's a little tight where you park, but this is on the edge of the ocean. You are literally smelling the ocean air, the waves, everything. You can see the moonrise there. I don't even know how to describe it. It was just breathtaking, heaven on earth. This is the place that anybody who loves to RV, this is a bucket list campground. Definitely check it out. Thanks so much for joining us. Let me know what your favorite campgrounds are in the comments.